Ay, kuya. All right, onward bound. $32.3. Man, that's about the lowest I've ever seen it. We are getting ready to go into CSI Alaminos Warehouse Club. After we get some cash, we're gonna go inside and pick up some goodies. All right, CSI shopping time. Seems this is where we spend the bulk of our monthly income. I know they had new carts here. They're way the hell up there. There we go. You want to sit inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, try to get these new carts when you come here, otherwise your shopping trip is going to be a little bit frustrating trying to push those old carts around. They don't move very well. How about some bread? Let's,
You can take later. I will give you.
all right, I'll go grab that.
Can I take 5?
Go take what you need. I'm gonna run down and grab the soda. See, the cool thing is I have the GoPro mounted on my chest here, and really nobody knows it's there unless you look for it. So I'm kind of going incognito. Inconspicuous. What's that? Oh, you got a nice spill here, huh? Oh, they're gonna go back the other way now. These are kind of There we go. Yeah, you're welcome. These, if you're ever in the Philippines and doing some grocery shopping, and you happen to see these MY San butter cookies, grab them. They're really good. They're a little pricey, but they're worth it. I think I will grab 2. Oh, excuse me. And I don't think we're gonna have any luck with our soda pop. I usually get the Coke in those little plastic bottles. I don't see them. Oh well. We'll live. Ready to commit the ultimate sin. Oh brother, where is it? Ah, over here. Here we go. I'm addicted to these things. These Nestle Crunch bars. Oh my God, they're good. I'm not even gonna count them. I'm just gonna grab a box and put them in the fridge when I get home. All right. The quantity looks fine to me. Bad gunny, bad gunny. Chocolate bars and cookies. All right, there's my wife. What you picking out, hon? What you picking out? Cucumbers. We got, I'm gonna grab some bingos if I can find them. Excuse me. Check this out. We go to the imported goods section, and what do we got? This is all imported. Some American style barbecue sauce, Japanese stuff, the Japanese mustard. Yep. And one of our favorites is this Japanese salad dressing. It's like a roasted sesame. I actually used to buy that, I believe, when I was in Okinawa. So anyways, let's see this. Yeah, stationed in Okinawa for 6 years. Actually 7. And now here I am in the Philippines. Do we have like hot dogs and bacon and all that? We need it? All right, back I go. We've been eating a lot of bacon lately, so I think I'll just go ahead and grab a couple of these. No problem. What is it?
Flour.
Flour?
And then for my macaroni.
Okay.
We'll see you around.
Do we need to buy some more meat? Let's check and see what they have. Huh. All right. I guess I'll wander about on my own and see what kind of trouble I can get into. Of course, I always seem to gravitate towards this part of the store where all the cookies and chips and basically all the junk is at. Oh, maybe some chips, huh? Regular chips. Bought these before. These are pretty good. Just gotta make sure you got some air in there. All right. Oh, man. Okay, take a walk over to the hardware section. I gotta check and see if they have some sandpaper. Maybe some hooks. Oh, okay. Hooks, 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 hooks. There we go. Don't know if they're big enough. All right, I guess we'll find out. Sandpaper. Well, anyways, this is the hardware section at CSI. And they don't always have the greatest selection, but what you can't find here, there's a couple other stores in town that you can find your stuff. DIY down in Neeple has pretty decent selection of things. 120, I'm looking for 220. Where are you? There it is. Maybe some 400. Where's the 400? What do we got here? And wait. What am I doing here? 400. There we go. Get a couple 400s. And do they have 8? Getting more abrasive as we go down. Well, I'll go with 220 and 400 for now. No 6, no 8 that I can see. Two, 4. And then 220. All right. Hello. Mission accomplished. We got the sandpaper. Yes. For leveling the frets on my guitar. Slowly getting everything I need. Oh, the lines aren't too bad here today. We need any mouthwash or toothpaste? What about toothpaste? Oh, we bought a bunch before. We should be good. Diapers, because there's a 99.7% chance I will not shit my pants today, but I should be wearing diapers just in case. Anywhere.
Sesame oil. Can you check for me?
What is it?
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil. Where's that located at? Right here? Sesame oil. Sesame, oh yeah, wait. It's right in front of me. I know it is. Here it is. Good Life sesame oil. Oh my goodness, $3.56. Holy balls. Oh, excuse me. This one. That should work. Sesame oil. This one? That big enough?
Yep. I will take the tissue of the kitchen.
All right. Okay, well that's it. We're at the checkout. Getting ready to pay for our stuff. Mom's doing some last minute picking and I'm gonna shut this camera off. So anyways, thanks for joining us on this another exciting episode of CSI Shopping. So good day to everyone. Take care of yourselves, stay happy, stay healthy, and we will talk to you soon. All right, CSI, Tuesday afternoon. This is it, baby. Fun, fun, fun. Sorta. All right, later, guys.